So once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Alam mo, Mark and Joyce, napakasaya ko at excited dahil for the first time, ma-feature natin ang isa sa mga icon ng Pampanga.
So speaking of icon, a little bit of history. So Jun Jun's restaurant started the year 1968 and nagsimula sila sa tabi lang ng Riles.
Grabe, di ba? So imagine 1968 up until 2024. Ang dami pa rin po tumatangkilik dito.
Yes.
So they already know the days. Alam na po nila ang kanilang i-expect dito ang masarap na barbecue, sisig, chop suey at iba pa.
Yun yung talagang no complications, no questions asked pagdating mo dito. Alam na yung order mo. At isa pa sa mga icon nila is yung
I can see na this is the star ng Pasko.
Grabe.
This one. Ito ang binabalik-balikan ng mga customer dito.
Ano tawag dyan, Mark?
So ito yung kanilang barbecue sauce. Dito natin masasabi, sauce pa lang, ulam na.
Yes.
Yun ang literal na sauce palang ulam na. Guys, we won't bore you long. Ito po yung mga pagkain na sinerve nila sa atin. And habang kumakain tayo, let's introduce them.
Yung nasa harapan natin, ang kamang special na
Bibingka.
Bibingka.
And this is all year round na Bibingka.
Yes. So no need to wait for Christmas or New Year. Grabe, basta nag-crave po kayo, available po yung mga bibingka.
Bibingka.
Yes.
The rest of the food, meron po tayo dito ang lomi.
Yes.
Yes, Lomi.
Lomi. Meron din tayo dito ang pancit. Napakasarap na pancit. So meron din tayo yung pinakbet.
Yes.
Fried bangus.
Grilled yempo, chicken barbecue, sisig, and yung kanilang chop suey.
So tingnan nyo naman yung kanilang mga
Ayun.
barbecue. Solid ang lalaki.
I could say na siksik na siksik.
So yung mga quality ng food nila hindi nagbago, kaya hindi sila nawala ng market since nung nag-start sila.
Sabi ko nga, Jun Jun's Bibingka and Barbecue na fulfill niya yung goal niya. So ang goal lang naman ni Jun Jun's Bibingka at that time ay lahat ng nanay at tatay ay magkaroon ng pupuntahan on their special occasions. At an affordable price.
Samahan niyo po kami. We're gonna, taste the food.
Kain na.
Kain na tayo.
Yes. This branch is dito sa may Kalayaan to. Kasi the newest branch ng Jun Jun's restaurant. Meron sila dito mga private rooms, air-conditioned rooms, and yung kanilang alfresco.
I think yung alfresco nila is great for an evening dine.
Yes.
No? Sobrang sarap talaga ng sauce nila.
Hindi pa rin nagbabago.
Hindi pa rin nagbabago. And this is passed on from generation to generation. And yung secret sauce po nila, talagang they kept it consistent.
Yes. All through the years.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Kung kayo gusto pumunta dito sa bagong Jun Jun's restaurant, and this is located sa may Kalayaan Service Road, MacArthur Highway, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. They are open from 10:30 a.m. until 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Guys, so if you are missing your favorite barbecue dito po sa San Fernando, Pampanga, go check out this place. We're gonna be giving all the information on how to get here.
So if you want a delivery naman, they're available now sa foodpanda and Grab.
There you go, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Jun Jun.
Thanks, Jun Jun.